Hi, I'm Matt Stanton. I'm the CEO of SolPower. SolPower has created a power generating shoe insole so that as you walk, you can create power for cell phones, GPS, and portable electronics. The device basically works through taking the kinetic energy of your step, that compression when your foot hits the ground, and converting it into electrical energy, which we then use to charge an external battery. After the battery is charged, any device that can be charged off of a laptop can be charged off of our battery pack. So we're looking at outdoor enthusiasts, hikers and backpackers, military personnel, and people in developing nations who might not have access to reliable power supplies at any given time. So that's kind of a bit about what SolPower does and where we're going. Where we started was a design project back at Carnegie Mellon University. We started with a rough prototype. We worked through the design process and we're trying to develop a light-up shoe that didn't need batteries. So at the end of the design process and after we had a proof of concept prototype, we started showing people what we were doing, and there was a lot of interest from the outdoor market. The hikers and backpackers of the world thought, hey, I have gear on me all the time, but don't have a reliable power source besides carrying bulky backup batteries. Then we talked to some military personnel who, the soldier now carries over 20 pounds of batteries on a single mission, for a single day, really, and saw a tremendous need there. And really, where we're passionate about is the developing nations market, where people don't have access to power. There's more than 1 billion people around the world now who have cell phones, have this technology, but don't have a reliable way to charge them. So we really want to focus on that in the coming years, but where we're first entering is the hiker and backpacker market. Our Hello World moment was when we ran a Kickstarter that allowed us to really get our first pre-orders, validate the fact that our market's there. People will pay money for this device, and that people are genuinely interested in what we're doing and want to see us succeed. So we originally started with myself, my co-founder Hannah, our electrical engineer Elliot, and our business developer David. But we've transitioned, and now we have Laura and Ashley on the team as well, who've really helped us solidify our sales strategy and build our marketing so that we have a single voice coming from the company now, which has been really helpful. The way we designed the product, we used solid modeling software. We used Inventor to kind of build the first prototypes, really do the stress analysis, make sure that parts aren't going to break, make sure that we have everything that is going to last as long as we say it's going to last, and make sure that it's a robust design. It's something that's going to work and going to work consistently. We had the added benefit when we were working with Autodesk to use their Fusion product. We have the insole, which is a really organic shape, and making that in traditional CAD software is a pain. You have to use lofts, guidelines, and it's a real struggle to get something that looks right and feels right in the software. So using the Fusion and the organic shapes, we were able to make an insole that was representative of what we wanted in the end product, which was really helpful. We also have done a lot of the manufacturing of the product ourselves up until this point. We work at a tech shop, which is basically a mechanical engineer's playground. You have machines such as CNCs, lathes, mills, laser cutters, 3D printers, powder coating booths, the whole 9 yards, so you can build anything you want there. We use the Autodesk products at Tech Shop to actually cam our products up and throw them on a CNC. So it took our design process from being this 2 to 3 week process where you design something, you send it off to a machine shop, and then they give you the part back in 2 weeks, into a single day process. So we would design the product in the morning, we would machine it in the afternoon, test the product at night, and then incorporate what we learned into the next day's iteration. So we were rapidly moving through our process as opposed to taking these long steps of 2 to 3 weeks. And we were able to do that with the CAM software and the software that Tech Shop has partnered with Autodesk to actually use. Because our product is a bit complicated, we have 3 real products that we're creating. There's the insole, the mechanism that is embedded within the insole, and then there is the battery pack. So there's really 3 products that we're building and coming to market with. We used to use Excel spreadsheets and just kind of talking to each other, sending emails back and forth to update everyone on what was going on. When the team started to grow, we brought on more people like Laura and Ashley, and David kind of transitioned into project management. We found that Excel wasn't working the way we wanted it to anymore because it wasn't updating the people, and you had to rely on everyone going back into the document, checking. You ran the risk of things being corrupted. It wasn't a streamlined system for us anymore. So we've started to integrate the PLM software that Autodesk provides into our everyday workflow, which allows us to really, we make a change, there's a shift in the schedule, whether something's expedited or delayed by a little bit, we can make that change and everyone knows about it. It's not this, oh, check out the document, here's the impact points. We know them immediately and everyone's updated on what's going on. Because we have a cool product and people are really interested in what we are doing, we've actually gotten some notoriety. We received the 2014 Africa Energy Awards for Innovators this past March, which was phenomenal. We got to go to South Africa and we're at a conference, made a lot of great connections, and allowed us to really validate the fact that in developing worlds, this is a product that could be extremely useful. We've also received the 2014 Popular Science Invention of the Year Award. Hannah and I, we both read Popular Science as kids, so it was phenomenal to actually see, hey, this is Popular Science. We were in the magazine we read as kids. We've also gotten some notoriety through CNET, Mashable, and a few other places during our Kickstarter campaign that really helped us broaden our market, reach the people we wanted to reach, and has helped us start to build a community for our product launch at the end of 2014. Looking to the future, we're launching the product at the end of this year. Our Kickstarter backers will be receiving their product in December of 2014, and then we'll have the full product launched to everybody early in 2015. So we're gearing up for that. We'll have our first demos and pushing it out there to people in August of 2014. We'll be at the Outdoor Retail Trade Show and actually looking for people to purchase the product from us. So we're on our way. We're really excited to actually get this out there and have people experience what SolPower really is and what having a power source on you at all times really feels like. So I'd like to thank you for your time, and everyone out there, if you're interested in SolPower, check out our website. But thank you for tuning in and learning more about SolPower.